In this video, I want to give you a few more ideas for your mini album. We add more circles and even another album inside the album to make space for more memories. So watch this video for more mini album page ideas and scrap along with me. If we just met, my name is Monia and I'm owner of Digidesignresort, and I'm doing this now for 12 long years. Scrapbooking has been for me an amazing journey because I met people from all over the world. And it's not just about memory preserving, but also about that community. And that is why I'm showing you different kind of layouts and helping you to preserve your beautiful memories. For this scrapbooking layout and the entire mini book collection, I'm using the It's a Boy's World scrapbooking kit. But don't worry, you don't have to resize all the elements and papers. You will find a link below this video, and I have already done all that for you, so you can start right away. So before we get started, please subscribe to our channel, click the little bell so you're notified whenever I post a new video, and hit the like button. And now let's get started with the scrapbooking. Okay, I put already together a few things. You can see already that I used a circle and a smaller circle here on the inside, a flower, and I have 3 pictures where the little guy is playing with some egg, with some eggs actually, and here he is sleeping. So here that is a status update, so like showing what all the crazy things he does, and then he's sleeping. So it's like a little bit of contrast. So that is what we are going to put now, and then I'm going to show you that book here. I will show that in a second. I just want to glue that here on top, and then we can look inside. Okay, now we can pull it up, and you see there are many more pages left you can put together. And what I want to do is I want to glue those together, so it's really just these black pages we are using and not the white ones on the other side. So we put some adhesive here on the back, and then we put it together. Okay, you see now we have just as good a few pages only, and we need to fill those. But for now I'm going to make that because I want to put some stamps here as well. So I moved that circle a little bit to the left. That's by purpose because I want to cover it with the images. So here is more we need to see. Okay, now he needs to confess what he has done. That's why I did this here. If this happens, and it did because of the little mini book here, you just to really make it fit once again so you can stamp over it. It's a bit tricky, but it works. Just be careful to not mess things up. Okay. Okay, now it's about filling this book, maybe not just with pictures, but also with some stories. So I just going to put some pictures inside and let it free here to fill with stories. Here's a nice story to tell about the little guy inside the cupboard. So yeah, maybe it's a story, so we can put it here. Done with this layout. So we have the left side we already made in the other video, and this one with a circle, and then I decorated with a flower. We have some stamps here, and then I decorated the book inside actually. So what I did is I just put a few things on here, and I left a lot of space just because we can add some stories later. So maybe you want to do that as well, to have a little bit more open, so you can always add maybe a piece of washi tape and a piece here, so you can write something on it and you have a story inside to tell as well. Yeah, that's this layered, and you know, we keep decorating this book and you're going to see it in the next one.